Magandang araw mga mag-aaral. Ngayon, alamin natin ang English-Tagalog translation ng greetings. Again, in English, we call it greetings, and in Tagalog, we call it mga pagbati. Kaya naman, subscribe, like, and share JNR University for more videos. Maraming salamat mga mag-aaral at simulan na natin. Number 1, English, good morning. In Tagalog, we say it magandang umaga. Or in a more polite way, we can say magandang umaga po. Take note, in black color, that's the English. In red color, that is the translation. And also in the orange color, it's also the Tagalog translation, but the more polite way. Or the orange color, you can say this to a person who is in more or in higher position than you, or you can use this if you are talking to an elderly. Gets ba? Okay. Next, good afternoon. In Tagalog, magandang hapon, or in a more polite way, we say it magandang hapon po. Next, good evening. Magandang gabi, or in a more polite way, magandang gabi po. Next, English. We say it how are you? In Tagalog, kumusta ka? And in a more polite way, kumusta po kayo? Next, we have in English, nice to meet you. In Tagalog, ikinagagalak kitang makilala. In a more polite way, ikinagagalak ko po kayong makilala. Next, we have in English, welcome. Tagalog, maligayang pagdating. In a more polite way, maligayang pagdating po. Next, we have happy birthday. In Tagalog, maligayang kaarawan. In a more polite way, maligayang kaarawan po. And that's it. Next, we have congratulations. In Tagalog, binabati kita. In a more polite way, binabati ko po kayo. Next, we have Merry Christmas. In Tagalog, maligayang Pasko. And in a more polite way, we say, maligayang Pasko po. Merry Christmas mga mag-aaral. Next, we have Happy New Year. In Tagalog, manigong bagong taon. And in a more polite way, manigong bagong taon po. Yes, advance Happy New Year mga mag-aaral. Maraming salamat and please subscribe, like, and share JNR University for more videos. God bless mga mag-aaral. Thank you so much.